Hi guys, today I make Asian barbecue ribs and I want to share my recipe with you. I usually don't follow the rules too much. If you see ingredients different from others, don't freak out. I like to invent my own recipe so I don't get bored eating the same food all the time. Also, this episode I'm gonna give you some tips to make different dish with the same ingredients and leftover because I don't like to throw food away. And that saves a lot of money. Plus, I'm a busy person, but I like to cook, so I have to find a way to make it quick and simple. First, you're gonna need, of course, pork ribs and cutting board with knife. The next is ingredient. I'm gonna give you a list what you're gonna need. I put ingredients a bit different. I use egg to make the meat soft, juicy, and tasty. And I use fish sauce with star anise powder to bring more tasty and smell delicious. I use more soy sauce than salt because salt tastes more strong. So make sure if you use a lot of soy sauce, then use salt really little because soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce already salty enough. And then you need Ziploc bag and large bowl with long fork. I like to make slightly cuts on the surface and between of the ribs before marinade so the meat can soak up the flavor. By the way, I kind of cut off some meat from the ribs. I save it for stir fry later with the marinade sauce that left over. Now, put all the ingredients into a bowl and mix them up. Then place the rib into the bowl and wrap on both sides. After that, put the ribs in Ziploc bag. Then pour the marinade sauce into the bag. Zip the bag, then give it a good shake a little bit more. Now, at last, rest the rib in the fridge overnight to infuse with the flavor of the marinade before cooking. Heat the grill, then place the ribs on the heat and sear them. Move them to the side of the grill and cook them indirectly for 1 hour or cook them on low heat if your grill is not big enough. Brush the rib with marinade sauce while cooking. Cook for another 15 minutes until the sauce caramelizes. Alright, now it's done. Look at the meat, it's soft and juicy, not too dry because of the egg. And when I eat, I like to spread some butter on it to bring more juicy and flavor. Look at that, that's what I'm talking about. By the way, after I ate the ribs, I keep all the bones to make soup later, and the leftover marinade sauce, I can use it to make fried rice or stir fry with the meat that I cut off from the ribs earlier. I will post the video how to make the leftover from these barbecue ribs in the next episode, so stay tuned. I hope this video is helpful to you and let me know how your barbecue ribs going. Thank you for watching and I see you guys next time.